Hi there, buddies. I hope the Bybit hack hasn't affected you. Given that it created a market shakeout, this attack may have primarily impacted customers who trade futures on a regular basis. Despite showing hints of recovery yesterday, the market is still in a sideways trend as of right now. We will talk about this event today, as well as the good news for XRP holders that the SEC is getting ready to close in the US. What comes next? I wrote about this news in my Telegram channel yesterday. We will talk about it in more detail today. It was discovered late at night. We will also discuss February 27, 2025, which is a significant date. On this day, a closed SEC meeting will take place with XRP being the main topic of discussion. The XRP ETF governance and regulation will be discussed at this meeting. We will also discuss David Schwartz's claim that the world might change if transaction fees were eliminated. The cryptocurrency market is still in a condition of stasis, which is significant. Despite yesterday's indications of recovery, altcoins have not yet shown any clear bullish trends. Over the last 7 days, Ethereum has increased by 4%, reaching $2,800. The price of Ethereum has barely changed, even after hackers stole a significant quantity of the cryptocurrency from Bybit. Additionally, recent investigations imply that the Bybit hackers might be connected to frauds involving Solana meme coins. I have emphasized again and over again that it is not a good idea to spend $100 in any newly generated meme currency on Solana. It is practically impossible to find a gem among the 12 million of these coins that are now in circulation. The market is now in a neutral position with a sentiment score of 40 out of 100. Cryptocurrency owners are still anticipating the upcoming altcoin season. Many investors are experiencing anxiety as Bitcoin doesn't move over its peak of $109,000. The weekly time frame for XRP indicates that we will probably close just above $2.56, which is currently a crucial support level. XRP has been trading between $2.56 and $2.77 since February 14th. Whether the next movement is in favor of the bulls or the bears would depend on a breakout outside of this area. Major players have clearly been hoarding XRP since 2022, but they have also been making money. A retest of $1.79 may result from this, and a decline below $2 is conceivable. The fact that XRP is still below the 50-day moving average suggests weakness. I think the sideways trend, which ranges from $2.30 to $2.89, could continue for months. It might indicate dispersal if XRP doesn't break out, but I have no doubt that XRP will eventually profit from an altcoin season. We will have to observe the sideways action for the time being. The pattern is still the same when examining the XRPE/VTC pair. At this point, it is challenging to validate a bullish signal. Bears will probably gain control if XRP falls below 2,500 Satoshis. The SEC is getting ready for a shutdown in the United States. I discussed this in my Telegram channel yesterday and translated it into Russian. According to the official announcement, budget delays could result in a shutdown of the U.S. government. Like other federal agencies, the SEC will undergo a change in its operational status. EDGAR and other critical systems will continue to function in accordance with the agency's contingency plan. Although it might be too soon to say that the SEC is shutting down entirely, Elon Musk has already established Doge to keep an eye on the agency's operations before Trump's possible comeback. This development is intriguing, and I think the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit will be resolved this year. The 27th of February is also an important day. Discussions about XRP regulation and the XRP ETF will be the main topics of the Sunshine Act meeting on this day. The public will not be allowed to attend this meeting. The market may become more volatile in the days after the conference, depending on the conclusion. According to David Schwartz, the world will alter if payment costs are eliminated. What email did for communication, XRP seeks to achieve for banking. Email wasn't believed in at first, but as the internet developed, it became indispensable. I recall using Skype and ICQ before Telegram appeared. As electronic communication has become commonplace, financial transactions with XRP are anticipated to undergo a similar transition. Occurred notwithstanding. It goes without saying, globalization began and altered with the actual distribution of products via shipping containers. The internet revolutionized the way that information is delivered. However, we are unaware of what the TCP/IP of money is. What is the value of the shipping container? That is unknown to us yet. However, there will be one, that's for sure. And changes will result from that. Additionally, I want to make it clear that one of the changes I anticipate and believe is significant is that the size of payments will significantly decrease. It's likely that many of you here work and receive pay every 2 weeks or twice a month. But why is that? Most likely you pay your payments once a month. But why is that? The reason for this is that payments are cumbersome and costly. However, if payments were easy and inexpensive, those frequencies might increase. While you're working, money may be beamed at you. To cover the cost of your accommodations, you could send money to your landlord. I will be honest, I am aware that those seem foolish. Indeed they are. And let me tell you, imagine that in the late 1990s, when we were discussing email, you asked me, what are people going to use email for? I doubt I could have provided you with the examples that are on everyone's phone, most likely with email and, likely, containing hundreds of messages that don't resemble postal mail or the messaging that was in use in the late 1990s. I couldn't have predicted any of that. In 2000, if you had asked me if I thought the internet had adequate bandwidth, I would have said that it did. Well, could I have envisioned on-demand video and Netflix? That is absurd, isn't it? For example, bandwidth is too expensive for that. However, the cost of bandwidth was reduced to nothing by the internet. And the world will alter if the cost of payments is reduced to zero. And I will describe what it entails and some of the ways I believe things will alter. XRP has almost no transaction costs, is far more energy efficient than Bitcoin, and is made to move money from point A to point B with ease. According to former SEC head John Reed Stark, the next significant court case that will likely arise is Ripple's appeal. Ripple may be well positioned for success if the SEC adopts a more pro-crypto approach. Will XRP hit $30? According to some, XRP might be part of the U.S. government's strategic reserve. The price of XRP will probably rise significantly if other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Solana are added to this reserve. I also posted an intriguing article yesterday regarding the bull market tendencies for XRP in 2013, 2017, 2021, and 2025. According to historical trends, XRP may climb parabolically once more. Only a matter of time will pass. Ripple needs to prevail in its lawsuit against the SEC in order for XRP to keep expanding. It will be significantly simpler for Ripple to go public for an IPO if this occurs. Furthermore, big companies like BlackRock might soon apply for XRP ETFs. Applications from major players in the business are already being reviewed. Only a matter of time will pass. CryptoFacts has been this. I'll see you later.